video generation has advanced at an extraordinary pace. Visual quality, motion coherence, and realism have improved dramatically in a very short time. Yet despite these improvements, many creators encounter the same recurring limitation: control. Most AI systems are exceptionally good at producing outputs, but far less predictable when asked to behave like filmmaking tools. This distinction is important because filmmaking has never been purely about visuals. It is about deliberate visual decisions. Traditional video production revolves around structured control, camera placement, lens selection, shot composition, motion design, timing, performance. These are not secondary details. They are the language of visual storytelling. And until recently, AI video tools struggle to replicate this logic. Cinema Studio 2.0 represents an interesting shift in this landscape. Rather than functioning as a simple generator, it introduces a directing-oriented workflow. The emphasis moves away from creating clips and toward constructing shots. This may sound subtle, but it reflects a significant conceptual change. The creation process begins with a familiar element: a text prompt. However, the goal is not merely to generate an image. It is to establish what filmmakers would recognize as a hero frame, a foundational visual state from which motion is derived. Lighting, subject, environment, and tone are defined at this stage. This frame becomes the structural anchor for subsequent animation. Before image generation, Cinema Studio introduces camera configuration. Unlike conventional AI interfaces, these controls resemble cinematic parameters: focal length, lens behavior, aperture, perspective dynamics. Each choice influences how spatial relationships and depth are interpreted. This mirrors principles used in real cinematography, where visual feeling is inseparable from optical decisions. Once the base frame is generated, Cinema Studio 2.0 introduces spatial interaction. Images are no longer treated strictly as flat outputs. They can be explored as navigable environments. Perspective adjustments, composition refinements, and framing changes occur within the scene itself. This reduces the need for repetitive prompt modification and aligns more closely with visual blocking practices. Motion generation also follows a distinctive philosophy. Instead of relying on timelines or keyframe systems, movement is defined through camera behavior: pan, tilt, dolly, orbit, zoom. These are physical camera concepts rather than abstract animation controls. The system interprets intent rather than manual frame manipulation. One of the most consequential developments is multi-shot sequencing. AI video tools traditionally generate isolated segments. Cinema Studio 2.0 expands this capability by allowing connected shot structures. Up to 6 shots may be defined within a sequence, each with independent duration and movement logic. This introduces a rudimentary form of scene construction, rather than fragmentary clip generation. Character continuity, historically a challenge in AI workflows, receives structured attention. Cinema Studio allows the introduction of persistent characters across shots. Identity consistency is maintained automatically, reducing visual drift and structural incoherence, which are common artifacts in generative systems. Performance direction further illustrates the evolution of control mechanisms. Instead of embedding emotional cues exclusively within prompts, creators assign explicit character states: calm, focused, tense, expressive. This shifts instruction from descriptive language toward behavioral intent. Dialogue integration simplifies another traditionally complex task. Speech synchronization is handled during generation, eliminating the need for manual alignment processes or external animation tools. This reduces friction in narrative experimentation. Genre-based motion logic introduces a higher-level abstraction. Rather than manipulating granular timing variables, creators select cinematic pacing profiles. Different genres imply different motion behaviors: energy, tension, and temporal rhythm become systemic properties instead of manually engineered outcomes. Speed ramp control similarly relocates adjustments from post-production to generation. Motion timing is treated as a creative decision rather than corrective editing. This encourages intentional shot design from the outset. Collectively, these features suggest a broader trend in AI video development, a movement away from raw generation capability and towards structured creative control, where systems attempt to reflect how filmmakers conceptualize visual construction. This distinction may ultimately define the next phase of AI-assisted video production. Not merely higher quality outputs, but more predictable, director-like interaction models. Cinema Studio 2.0 serves as an example of this trajectory. A system designed less around spectacle and more around workflow coherence. For creators interested in exploring this approach, access is available directly through Higgsfield. Additional resources and technical guidance are linked in the description. AI video continues to evolve rapidly, but tools that prioritize controllability over novelty may prove to be the most influential.